Hello, everyone. Once again, this is Black Forex coming to you with another market analysis currency breakdown video. This video is going to be about the USD. It's about the USDCAD, okay? The US dollar and the Canadian dollar. But before we get started to break down this chart and this currency pair, we have to say that this video is for education purposes only. This is not financial advice. But we all know why you guys are here. You guys are here to find good, credible Forex content that can help improve your ability as a trader and to help put some extra money in your pocket, especially in these troubling times, okay? So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and dive in, okay? So, um, we'll first start off with the CAD before we get to talk about what's happening with the USD, okay? So to understand what's happening with the Canadian dollar, you have to understand its relationship with oil. And you have to know, whether you believe it or not, is that Canada is one of the major world's producers of oil. So the price of oil really affects the price of its currency. If oil prices are high, then its currency is strong. If oil prices are low, then its currency is weak. Now, the Canadian economy has been feeling the same pinch as all the other major world economies has been feeling when it's associated with inflation. Okay, but the thing about the Canadian dollar makes it special is like a pendulum is the price of oil. So the Canadian dollar has been pretty much lukewarm since the beginning of this trading year. But what really decides its factor of whether it's going to be strong and weak is how oil reacts and behaves. Okay, so being that we have a shortage on the world's circulated volume of oil, we started to see an uptake in oil prices. So we started to see an uptake in we started to see we started to see the strength of the CAD go up. So technically we're coming into this week due to oil prices as the Canadian dollar being one of our stronger currencies. Okay. But on the other hand, the USD and oil has a non-traditional relationship, which has been brought about by geopolitics related between Russia and Ukraine. When they decided to put sanctions on Russia, one of the things that they did was put sanctions on Russian oil, which caused an artificial decrease in the world's volume of circulating oil, which in turn brought oil prices as high as they are now. So as long as oil prices remain high, consumers spend less money at the stores and more money at the pumps. Less money going into the stores means a weakening or stagnating economy. Weakening, stagnating economy means a weakening dollar. Henceforth, why the U.S. dollar is behaving so weak as we get to this mid part of our trading week. Also, coupled with the fact that we've been having a lot more negative news and positive news about the U.S. dollar, makes this a perfect scenario, perfect storm for it to start to lose all its trajectory of strength that it's been gaining over the last several trading weeks. Okay, so with that said, now let's go ahead and dive into the chart. We're going to be looking for a continuation of dropping in price in this chart. Okay, so how far can price drop? We can drop as far as here, here, or here before we start to range back out. Okay, and what's promising about the continuation of the drop is look how aggressive the drop is coming in versus how pathetic the up move is. Okay, so with that being said, we're still looking like the sellers are in the building, the buyers are gone, and we may be in here. We may be in here for quite some time. Okay. So how far can price drop? Price can drop as far as here, here, or even here before we continue to go back up. But if we start to see the uptake getting a lot more aggressive, high volume candles, large candles, down move getting pathetic and choppy, then we could say we continue to go up towards the long side. But if we start to continue to look like this, very red candles coming in, very choppy green candles coming in as retracement, then it's safe to say we're going to have a continuing drop in price to either here, here, or here. Okay. Now, if you guys like our content, we invite you to please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribing to our YouTube channel will allow you to get up to date notifications on every time we drop new trading content. Also, we ask that you guys please like and share our videos. Liking and sharing our videos help pushes our content out there further in YouTube, so we can continue to build our community of profitable traders. Because our goal is to build a community of profitable traders. We want every subscriber or even every viewer, every subscriber, every supporter of Black Forex to be profitable. That is the goal, is to build profitability. Okay, this is why we do this, which is the reason why we post the free signals for your education and learning. Wink, wink. And also, this is why we do the market analysis videos, because we understand trading can be difficult, but we want to do as much as possible to make it easier for you. Why do the hard work? We'll do it for you, okay? Also, last but not least, we ask that you guys please, please, pretty please let us know what charts and market analysis videos that you guys do want to see, so we know how to best to accommodate and serve you, okay? Let us know what market analysis videos you guys want to see, and we will have those up in 24 hours or less, okay? You can either leave a comment about which videos you guys want to see, or what you can do is reach out to us through either our email or our social medias. The links to our email and social medias in the description of every video. Please let us know what type of market analysis charts you guys want broken down, so we know how best to accommodate and serve you. And with that being said, happy trading.